In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 90 FPS on Fortnite Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you notice that you are playing on 60 FPS and you would like to increase the frame rate lock, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to increase it to 90 or even 120 depending on which device you are playing on. So all that you have to do is, before going into a match, access the settings, go into the video category, which should be the default one, and under display you will be able to find mobile frame rate. This is where you will be able to change the frame rate between various different settings. So usually you will always have 20 and 30 depending on the device that you are using. 60 is probably going to be available as well. And if your device is supported, it will have 90 and 45. So all that you have to do now is choose 90. So go all the way to the right and select the option here. Now keep in mind that changing it to frame rates above 60 might lower the quality preset. Of course, because you are trying to achieve higher frame rates, this is going to be more demanding on the hardware of your phone, so it might lower the graphical quality to compensate. However, I would still recommend increasing the frame rate over the quality preset because the game is going to feel much smoother, snappier, and it is important to give you the edge over your opponents. Now, sometimes you might not have 90 FPS. If the maximum you have is 60, then sadly, your device is not going to support those high frame rates. And in this case, there isn't anything that you can do on a software level. This is going to be a hardware limitation, so you cannot go above 60. And sometimes you might have 120, but 90 is not going to be available. In this case, just set it to 120 and the game is going to fluctuate between those values. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 90 FPS Fortnite Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.